Bye. Julian. I wrote that for Jordan. And Mark. Jordan. Julian. Swag. Society. Oh, okay. Bye. Julian. Mark. Jordan. It's SS, baby. We're at the beach.
Hold on, hurry up and do this. I'm gonna draw a heart.
A heart for what?
I'm just drawing a heart. Hurry! Oh man.
That's like upside down butt cheeks. SS. Don't get to my shower though. We're enjoying a beautiful day at the beach. Throw it up, SS.
That's you already know. I already know we're gonna play on the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jordan, you're my secret Swag Society crush.
I swear to our word.
My secret Swag Society crush, so shh, everybody, keep it a secret. Shh. Got my toes in the water. I'm gonna walk up in this ocean with my nice ass camera, nigga. Wanna know why? Cause I don't give a fuck. Oh, it's cold! Oh hell no, I got on my camera. Oh, going back. Just kidding, you guys thought. My nigga, it's a waterproof camera, nigga. Waterproof. No, I wish. Oh, I'm getting close to the waves. Look at that. Ah! Wanna see surfers? Look at them ghetto ass surfers. It's about jerking, huh? Jordan can't die because if it is, we just a bunch of zombies. Okay, Maddie.